Oak leaf and pine needle have several beneficial effects on the soil. Organic matter. Both oak tree leaf and pine needle are rich in organic matter, which they decompose. They contribute to the formation of humus, which improves soil structure, increase water holding capability, and enhance nutrients availability. This organic matter also serves as a food source for beneficial soil microorganisms. Nutrient cycle. Oak leaf and pine needle contain essential nutrients such as nitrogen, potassium. As they break down, these nutrients are slowly released into the soil, replenish the nutrient content. This process aids in the nutrient cycling and supporting the overall health of the soil and plants. Moisture retention. Both oak leaf and pine needle creates a protective mulch layer when spread on the soil surface. This mulch layer helps reduce evaporation and minimize water loss by acting as a new natural barriers against sun, wind, and moisture is retained in the soil for a longer time, reducing the need for frequent irrigation. Weed compression. The use of oak tree leaf, and pine needle as mulch can effectively suppress weed growth. The mulch layer acts as a physical barrier, preventing weed seed from reaching the soil surface and germinate. This reduces the competition between weed and cultivated plant, allowing the desired plants to thrive. In summer, oak tree leaf and pine needle offer organic matter, nutrient cycle, regulation, moisture retention, and weed suppression. Benefit to the soil. Incorporating these matter into the garden practice can contribute to the overall health and fertility of the soil, leading to a thriving plant and sustainable garden. Yes, guys. So oak leaf and pine straw means a whole lot in the garden. Also, the oak tree, the body of the tree, also add the same nutrient as the leaf itself. So at the end of the day, once you keep adding these things from time to time, what's going to happen is going to create a beautiful, rich, healthy soil. It also going to create a barrier that can keep the soil moist even though the sun is wet, even though the sun is shining. So yes, be mindful, be careful. Always remember, organic is one of the best way you can go. There's no regret in organic. Using the tree trunk, the leaf, it's an amazing thing. Yes, so now, as you can see here, we're going to be adding oak leaf in this video. The oak leaf, like I all mentioned, is oak leaf and the straw adds a lot of nutrients to the soil. So yes, guys, this is a very interesting video with a lot of information. I'm hoping that you guys can enjoy, love, this video and share this video out, that people can get the understanding of this project. All right, so keep watching, guys, and you're gonna see the whole project. All right.